Well, folks, this is Steve AB4L. I got a close-up lens on. Yeah, the ants are ready to come out of hibernation. But I'm here to visit my neighbor's Forsythia bush because it's so much more beautiful than mine. They take care of it. Forsythia. They're quivering in the breeze. Ah, isn't the yellow beautiful? See if we can get somebody in the throat. This is from a distance. See how many there are? And this is hardly a dense bush. I've seen some that are incredible. They like to droop their heads down. Let's see if we can peek and see if we can. You ready to pollinate? What do you think? Quivering in the breeze. I'm not the one shaking. Yeah, I'm really impressed. Really impressed. The louder the pipes, the less the horsepower. Guarantee you. Oh, now the sun's coming out. Oh, look at that. He's got nothing better to do than show off his cheap little car. Oh, pardon my editorializing. I grew up with 427s. Literally. Steve AB4L. Just loving my neighbor's Forsythia bush. Saying see you in 73.